that's a good sign it's open and he actually bought something.
Yeah.
I guess he would be buying something because he's going to say, I ain't walking on here. Might as well get what I like.
Yeah. Okay. Think I can squeeze through there?
I don't know if you'll get stuck in the mud or whatever that is.
Maybe. I don't know yet.
Close to this.
Yeah.
I think you can probably try it.
Yeah, let's give it a shot. Nice.
Don't stop. Yeah.
Yeah, your car wouldn't like all this.
Oh, hell, not even that right there. Oh, shit. Yeah, no.
Yeah. Well, see, this is why I like the old jukester.
Hey, hang here. Watch it, watch it. There's a lot of water here.
I know.
My car would definitely win it like that.
I gotta stay moving when you see water.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, be careful. A lot of mud here.
Yeah.
This guy in a t-shirt, really?
Oh, yeah.
Let me up here in the mud. And
Doors are just... Let me pull you up. I'm gonna pull you up as close to the door as I can right here.
right up here.
Yeah, right up here. Oh, there's a big water pump there. Watch out, though. But whatever, it's all good. There you go. All right, I'm gonna find the spot. I'm gonna find a spot and meet you in there.
Be careful.
All right. Alrighty. Oh. More craziness here. Why does this thing look like it's upside down mostly? Oh, well. That's kind of crazy. And all this. They blocked it off down there. Oh, they really blocked that part off. Huh. Empty, 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 empty. Oh. Some stuff. It's not water and stuff. Canned stuff is like. But what I can tell you is, it's snowing. It's not so cold. It's just annoying with all the snow and slush everywhere. But we decided to take on the cold and be brave. And we decided we were going to come out here and look for food. A lot of food places are closed. Cane's is the only thing open right now. We found some supplies and groceries at HEB down the street from our house. Mom was complaining because she wants her bacon and eggs, and she couldn't find bacon or eggs at HEB, so now she's trying to look for some here at Walmart. I'm suspecting she's probably finding some stuff in there because she hasn't been out for a while. I may go in and check on her and see how she's doing here in a second. She's been in there for a little bit, but I'm also glad I've got a full tank of gas, because some gas stations are closed. A lot of the pumps are frozen and aren't working either over there, so that's kind of crazy also. And then the other thing you gotta worry about is gas too. All the meat was out. You saw how all the meat stuff was totally done in, so there wasn't that either. Couldn't do that. All the meat cases were empty at HEB and all that. Aside from that, I think we're doing okay. We went about 3.5 days without power. Power's back on. And so as soon as it came on, we charged all our phones and all our stuff. I charged up the cameras. I figured I was going to make some videos about, Ferg versus the snowpocalypse. My little juke, we've been using my little juke to go around everywhere, and I'm kind of glad because this little juke is doing great. It doesn't mind the snow one single bit. It doesn't like ice too terribly much, but what car does? But luckily I haven't hit any ice except for that time when I was going to work on the highway, and it wasn't too terrible. This juke is doing really well. So I'm definitely glad I have this thing to use for a time like this right now, because the car wouldn't have made it. The Z would have put me off somewhere I didn't want to be, and Mom's car would have never made it. She's too low to the ground too in her Civic Turbo. So, but yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna keep making some more videos of stuff and keep you guys updated on what's going on. But the snow's falling and the roads aren't horrible, but it's probably not a great idea to be out unless you absolutely have to be out. So another thing I'm going to go off about right now is simple. I'm going to rant about this because I see stupid people doing this all the time. If you're going to park somewhere and wait for someone to come out of a store like I'm doing with my mom, at least get off the main road. If you can see over here, I don't know if you can really see too well, but there's a few idiots. There's a few idiots that are parking just on the main roads, and, you know, there's a few idiots that are just parking on the main roads out here. I mean, they're just blocking traffic and just sitting out there doing nothing. I mean, at least myself and the truck behind me came into this little... I don't even know what this is. I guess it's a little thing where they store the extra carts, or maybe parking for security or fire lane or whatever this is. But I'm waiting right here. I called Mom. She said she's at the checkout, so she should be on her way out in just a second. So, oh, looks like they finally moved. I guess all it took was me to videotape them and throw them sitting there. Losers. Okay. Let's see what a brilliant idea this is. I am actually going to attempt to try and go to work in all this shitty snowy weather. At least the ice is melting some. But I figure I might as well record my way to work just in case something happens. Because you never know. Here goes nothing. Right in. I'm also going to take this opportunity to charge my stuff up, since most of my stuff doesn't work. I figure I'll charge my phone and charge my iPad as well.